Hey there, brand new from CoverGirl is the Exhibitionist line of mascara. I'm going to try it out today and we can check it out together.
Here comes the sunshine, it's feeling so bright. Our love is up in the sky.
Okay, so let's open up the box of this Exhibitionist CoverGirl mascara. The color is very black. Got this bad boy out of the box. Just a simple silver tube. The wand of the mascara looks like this. It's kind of an hourglass sort of a shape. And before I put some on, I'm going to go ahead and take off the eye makeup I already do have on. I don't have on much, just a little bit of mascara. But got to take off that. Alright, the previous mascara has been removed and we have a clean palette to work with. So here we've got no eye makeup to start with. And open up the Exhibitionist mascara. Alright, so I'm going to say we've got a lot of beautiful long lashes going on here. Go ahead and clean it up with a lash brush. No mascara on this side. New Exhibitionist mascara on this side. So what the product claims is that it's smudge-proof, clump-proof, ophthalmologist tested, safe for sensitive eyes, and safe for contact lens wearers. So I am a contact lens wearer. In fact, I'm wearing them right now, and it was no problem. There are some products that do irritate my eyes. So I would say that part seems accurate for me. And the other side with no mascara. Here's what it looks like with closed eyes, and that's the new product. The smudge proof and clump proof. I don't know what smudge proof means. It did not clump up though. I would say that it looks really nice. The lashes did not stick together. So we've got side one with the Exhibitionist mascara. So I like it. Nothing new and groundbreaking here, but I think it's a really good basic mascara. A little bit did get on my eyelid and below my eye, as always happens when I'm applying mascara, but I was able to remove it really easily, and it is clump proof. I think it looks nice, and it's a good, it's a good basic mascara. Worked great. If you found this helpful and want more, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be testing out a whole bunch of new makeup for 2019, so stay tuned.